In today's video, what I want to do is give you guys 7 different ways that can increase your sales in a matter of 22 days. I'm really excited to break down each individual step, show you guys how to actually go about increasing your sales. And if you guys are excited, go down, hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment, and let's get into the video. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trent Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller. And in today's video, we're going to be breaking down 7 different ways to increase your sales, yes, in 22 days. So we're on a time crunch. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to dive right into my screen and talk about these 7 different ways. We're going to start off with number 1, and that is getting enrolled in the IP Accelerator program so you can get what's called brand registry. This is going to give you a wide variety of different benefits, which I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Now, not all of the 7 ways require brand registry, but the majority of them do. And once you get them, you're going to understand how powerful it actually is. So how to enroll in the IP Accelerator program, it's going to cost you about $1,000. So yes, it is a little pricey, but it's going to be the best investment that you'll make in your business. So if you have a current product that's selling really good, then you need, like when I say you absolutely need to enroll into this program. So you're going to sign into your seller account. You're going to come right here to the apps and services. You're going to click on this. It's going to show you this drop down, and you're going to hit explore services. From there, you're going to click on the IP Accelerator program. And from there, you're going to click on Idea Legal. This is who I recommend. This is who I've used, and they were fantastic. They were super easy, super inexpensive. And you click on them, you reach out to them, and within 14 days, you'll be enrolled in the brand registry program and have all the benefits and perks of brand registry. So that is an absolute must. That is the first thing. And since we're on a time crunch, we only have 22 days. And so this is going to take 14 days. In the meantime, there are 2 things that we're going to do to help increase sales. And that leads to the second thing, and that is going to the advertising tab. So in your Amazon Seller Central, you can see right here, the advertising tab, you're going to click on this and you're going to click on the coupon button. This basically is going to throw a coupon code on your product. It's going to show the little orange clip to save 5% or clip to save 10%. And that's going to help you really stand out from your competition. A lot of people don't do this. And so if you're the only one on that first page that has a coupon code, they're going to be more likely to click on it. So what I recommend is doing 5, 10, 15% off. And as you can see right here, so you click on this, click coupons, you can hit create new coupon. It's super easy to create one. And you'll see that I spent 37 bucks and generated $419 in sales. And that campaign was it was under 10 days. So it was super easy, nothing complex about it. And it was a slower selling product of mine. And I just wanted to boost some sales, especially during this slower month of the year, during January. And so I decided to throw that on there, and boom, I generated $419 in sales. The same thing right here. I spent $56 and generated almost $700. So that's a great way to drive some more traffic, get more clicks, get more people purchasing your products, because the more people that can purchase your product, it will help with rank. The more people that have your products can lead to more reviews, which then leads to more credibility. And then it's that snowball effect. So this is something that's super important, is throwing on a coupon code. I know it sounds super simple, but try that. And that is the second way that we're going to do to increase sales. The third way is super easy as well. You're going to go to the advertising tab, hit the drop down, and you're going to click on this deals tab. This is where we're going to run a lightning deal. And if you guys have not ran a lightning deal yet before, I highly recommend it, because it can do a number of things. It can drive a ton of sales in one day, which then leads to more sales following after that, because the more sales that you can get in one day, that's going to help your organic rank. And the following days, you'll see an increase in sales. And that's something that not everybody can do. But if you have a qualified product, and basically the way that you know if it's qualified or not is you go to the advertising tab, click the drop down, click deals, and then you hit create new deal. And it will give you some options of specific ASINs or specific products that you can create a lightning deal for. And right here, I have 2 lightning deals scheduled for Prime Day. So I'm really excited about that. It's going to cost me $300 to $500 depending on the day. The average lightning deal is going to cost you $150. And so my thought process is as long as I can break even, then I don't care what it's going to cost me, because I know in the long run, I'm going to be building that organic rank and that juice, that rank juice, to then help me with my organic keywords. And those organic sales are where the money is at. So that is the third thing thing is you're going to do a lightning deal. Again, not everybody's going to be able to do that, but if you do have a solid product that's selling well and you have inventory, I highly recommend doing a lightning deal because that can increase your sales. Just a few things to note. When you create the deal, a lot of times you might have to schedule it out a few weeks, but you can schedule it basically within a couple weeks and have that going. And so within 14 days, you'll have your first lightning deal running and you'll see all the sales start coming in. So that is the third way that we're going to increase our sales. The fourth way is once we get enrolled in brand registry, so once we hear back from Idea Legal, we can enroll in brand registry, we're going to have access to a variety of different benefits. Number one of them being, we're going to be able to add videos to our listings. And I know you've seen this on a wide variety of listings. It is so important to have that because I've seen it on my videos. You'll see right here, I have all my products have videos on it and my conversion rate is that much better. When I'm running PPC campaigns, they convert better because when somebody sees the video of the actual product, that's another thing is you do have to go get that video created. So whether you pay somebody, whether you do it yourself, whether you do a simple slideshow with pictures and music, there's a number of different ways that you can go about doing this, but this is going to really help your conversion, which then is going to drive more sales. And the more sales, I'm going to be talking about this a lot, the more sales you can get, the more rank juice you get, and the more rank juice, the more you're going to organically rank on a number of different keywords, which is going to increase sales and traffic. And that is the goal that we're trying to accomplish in these 22 days. So you go to the inventory tab right here. You're going to hit the drop down, upload and manage videos. You're going to upload that video, apply it to the specific ASIN that you're wanting to target. And again, you can only do that if you have brand registry. So that's why I mentioned get enrolled in the IP Accelerator program. If you're already brand registered, then you need to jump on this and get videos on your listings ASAP. So that is the fourth thing. The next thing is we're going to be talking about A+ content. So this is where you have the pictures in the description. And this is something that's going to, again, help with conversion. And the better our conversion is, the better our PPC campaigns are going to perform. And the more customers are going to purchase our product. And the more that we can do that, again, the more our product is going to rank organically. So that's very important. Once you have enhanced brand content, you can go to the advertising tab. You can actually not enhanced brand content. It used to be called that EBC, but now it's called A+ content. If you have brand registry, you can then access A+ content. So you click on right here, advertising, the drop down A+ content, and you're going to start creating A+ content. And this is something super important that you should be doing on all of your listings because again, it helps conversion. So those are just some little things that you need to do. And it's the attention to details. The little things go a long ways. And so if you guys have bad images, poor descriptions, poor videos, and all of this stuff, and you don't really pay close attention to the little details, none of these things are going to really increase your sales. It's very important to not take any shortcuts. You need to pay somebody, a videographer, to do a good job, pay a photographer to get really good images. And the more you invest in you and your business, the better off you're going to be. And I tell my students that the more you can invest in yourself, your business, the more you're going to grow. That's the most important thing you can do. And for me, what's made me the most money is investing in myself, my brand, and my products. Once you do that, then it's just that snowball effect. So please do not cheap out. Get good videos, get good content so that when you're listing, when a customer clicks on your listing, it is top notch. Okay, so that's the fifth thing is A+ content. The sixth thing is since we already have these videos done with our listing, we're gonna do what's called a video ad. We're gonna run a sponsored brand ad. So you're gonna go to your PPC campaign manager, and once you're enrolled in brand registry, you can access these ads. And I'm telling you, these ads are like you print money. It is the best way to drive sales to your listing. And I know I'm splurging all the secrets, but I'm telling you, you need to do that. Once you have brand registry, then start running video ads immediately. They convert amazing and it doesn't cost near as much. So you click on sponsor brands from there. It's going to look something like this. You're going to click your brand name and then you're going to go to video and then you're going to target specific keywords just like a normal PPC campaign. It takes literally 30 seconds to set up. You can monitor it, check it, see what keywords are performing well. Use Helium 10 Cerebro to do the reverse ASIN lookup to know what keywords you should target and create a few different campaigns. Maybe you have a few different videos that you want to test out and see what works best. And it's all about trial and error testing, seeing what converts, what doesn't. And little by little, you're going to be able to optimize these PPC campaigns, and they're going to drive a ton of traffic. So video ads are the money maker. Obviously, you can run store spotlight, product collection, and then if we come back here, you can do the sponsored display when you have brand registry, and then also the sponsored products, just the normal PPC campaigns. You should be pushing those regardless. So if you guys are not running PPC, you're losing out on a lot of money. And the way that I look at it is, as long as I can break even on my PPC campaigns, I don't care how much I spend, because I know that it's helping with rank juice, and it's going to help with that organic rank. So that's super important to do. And that is the 6th way that we're going to increase sales. The next way is enrolling in the Vine program. So this is the last way. It may sound super simple and dinky, but I'm telling you, this works amazing. Once you have brand registry, you're going to come right here, advertising tab, click on it, click the Vine, and you're going to enroll your product in what's called the Vine program. Basically, you can give away up to 30 products. So right here, you can see that I enrolled 30 different, that I was willing to give away basically 30 products to Vine reviewers, and 18 people claimed it. And out of those 18 people, I got 16 reviews. So this listing, adding 16 reviews in literally a span of a month, that's amazing. And more reviews is going to help your PPC. It's going to convert better. It's going to help you rank more. And that ripple effect is going to just take a small domino, tip over a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. It's the compounding effect. And that's what all of these different ways are going to do for you. They may sound simple, but if you're not doing them, then you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So those are 7 different ways that you guys need to go and implement. I know that this was quick, but that was my purpose of the video. Is we're on a time crunch, 22 days, we're going to increase your sales. So go do all of these 7, and I guarantee if you do, you're going to see an increase in your sales. And for those that actually do and go through this, we'll call it a 22-day challenge. Let me know, see how much you can increase your sales by following these 7 ways, these 7 strategies, and I promise you're going to thank yourself as you invested in you and your business. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial video of how to increase your sales in 22 days. Let me know what you thought down below. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you guys want more help from me directly, I have a full A to Z mentorship program. Go to amzchampions.com, enroll. I'd love to have you in as a student. We have weekly live calls where I break down step-by-step strategies inside my screen where you can ask me any question that you want, and I get all of those questions answered for you. So it's super valuable. The weekly live calls, the Facebook group, email access, I verify your products. You have over 100+ step-by-step videos. It's 12+ hours of content. So if you guys are interested, go to amzchampions.com. I look forward to having you in as a student, and I'm excited to see your guys' results in a short 22 days. So I just want to say thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.